Hi campers, Stephen from Tentworld Ferntree Gully coming at you again with another Oztrail accessory for the gazebos. This one here is the gazebo base pod kit, which is an excellent alternative for securing your gazebo down when you're operating it on a hard surface like concrete, where you don't have the option to peg it down or use something else to anchor it down. So one box of these comes with 4 pods. Each pod is made up of 2 halves that use a big thumb screw to secure themselves together. And so you can use either sand or water to fill these up. With water, it's going to be about 8 kilos in weight, about 11.5 if you're filling it with sand. Okay, so these do stick together with these oversized thumb screws. So unscrew that and you've then got your 2 halves. You're going to fill it up here just by taking off this cap on the top of the unit and filling it up. Alright, and same with the other half. Or alternatively, you can just submerge it in a body of water if you're nearby. Alright, so we're back by the gazebo. We're ready to put on our base pod. And just unscrewed it there, and it will just attach by each half going around the legs. It is worth noting that these are compatible with any gazebo, so not just exclusively an Oztrail one. Excellent. So once you've got all 4 around your gazebo legs, you've now increased the amount of stability that your gazebo is rocking. So it's going to be able to withstand some more lighter to moderate winds. For maximum stabilization, you are still going to want to put out the gazebo's guy ropes, if that's able to be done depending on the surface you're on. If you're on concrete, you might look at tying it down to something else that's going to give it that extra weight. One pod itself is 23 centimeters in diameter at its widest point, total height of 26 centimeters. Now the plastic over time from prolonged sun exposure is going to affect its integrity and will diminish the quality. So do what you can to keep it out of the sunlight and keep it stored in a cool, dry place out from direct sunlight. Thank you for watching my video today on the Oztrail Gazebo Base Pod Kit. If you have any further questions, feel free to pop online to our website for more info. You can check out our YouTube channel for other videos or visit us in store. All the best to you and happy camping.